Hi guys, this is GSMDome.com and I'm here with the Honor 200 mid-range phone with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 inside and the brand new Harcourt option. What is Harcourt? So it's basically a portrait option that involves the know-how of the Studio Harcourt from Paris, France. You're creating artistic portrait photographs now, and this company, Harcourt, dates from 1934, and they've been at it photographing the likes of Zinedine Zidane, the Queen of Jordan, famous actors, and many other people. Now the results will look something like this. So this is good old me, but with some extra processing and lighting, you can achieve shots like this. So this is a colleague of mine, by the way. So let's see what we can achieve here. These are some of the iconic shots you can take using Studio Harcourt's know-how with the lighting and the shadows which they involve. Back in the day, they used to rely on tungsten lighting, 500 watts for each of your face part in order to create iconic shots. The price is 1,900 euros if you're going to Paris to do Studio Harcourt and getting all the makeup done. They give you champagne, they take high-end photographs of your face, but now everything is mimicked with AI. Back to the phone. Honor 200 is different from the Honor 200 Pro, as you can see here. This is the Pro and this is the regular. Well, you can tell that the Pro is a bit bigger, has a bigger camera, and the screen is curved on the Pro, while on the flat, on the regular 200 is not curved, it's rather flat. I would say that the screen is flat here, although gently curved on the side, and the frame is also flat. We're dealing with a phone which has a plastic back, as far as I can tell so far. It actually weighs quite a bit, quite little compared to the other model. It weighs 187 grams and measures 7.7 millimeters in thickness, which makes it a rather skinny handset. We have here a not very fascinating color. It's the black, but the phone is also available in something like coral pink, emerald green. So yeah, there's more fascination here. The camera design has been inspired by Gaudi and Casamila, creation from Barcelona, and once again plastic and metal are met here. Now if you're seeing the screen that we have here, it's a 6.7 incher of the OLED variety, Full HD Plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. Inside the phone we can find the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 CPU, also present on the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, so it competes with that model. You can see other specs here. We're getting things like 12 gigs of RAM plus an extra 12 from the Honor RAM Turbo, half a terabyte of storage, but there's also a version with 256. There are stereo speakers which are separate now. One is here at the bottom and one is here at the top side next to the infrared emitter. The battery is also quite impressive. Silicon carbon, 5000 mAh unit. Actually, excuse me, it's actually 5200 mAh with 100 watt charging. And when I say 100 watt charging, I'm actually talking about wired charging and the promise of achieving 57% charge in just 15 minutes. That's quite impressive. Of course, you have 5G connectivity. Of course, Wi-Fi 6E is part of the package, and GPS dual band. And people are wondering definitely about the specs. So, while the Pro model has a dual selfie camera, which you can see cut in the screen here, the regular model, the non-Pro one, has a singular 50 megapixel camera without autofocus and with 4K capture plus f2.1 aperture. On the back side, the package is actually quite similar to the Pro model, believe it or not. 50 megapixel made camera with OIS and face detection autofocus, but the sensor is different. It's a Sony IMX906 instead of the H9000, which is most like an OmniVision on the Pro. 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, the same as we have on the radar model, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus, also the same, and can take macro shots on account of, well, having autofocus. But the core of the experience remains here in the camera area. In the portrait department, you can do the Harcourt photo taken with vibrant, color, and classic. Now, I'm going to take a vibrant shot of me now. Okay, so this is it. There's a bit of processing happening here. You just saw it in real time. It actually highlights your face, your eyes, and facial hair, and of course creates a background blur because it's actually a portrait shot in the end. Now, other options for this camera include the Pro mode, slow motion, panorama, super macro, high resolution, solo cut, and story, plus multi-video, which actually lets you change the combo of camera you're using. The front camera, you can use the back camera, you can use a combo of front and back, and a combo of back and back, so you can create multiple types of shots. There's also AI in the video department, and in the photo department you're going to be choosing between styles. There's vibrant, there's natural, and authentic, depends on your needs. Okay, we also have a night mode only for photo. The Pro one has also for video and aperture. Aside from that, there's Magic Portal. Here what Magic Portal does is the following. So let's say you take a screenshot of something, keep it pressed, and you can send it here to the Magic Portal, to Gmail, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, or what have you. You can also take text, you can take photos and send them like this, and decrease the number of steps you're taking in order to, well, do actions on devices. This is the Honor 200, the regular 200, not the Pro, not the Lite. 599 euros is the price tag, and it's quite solid for a mid-ranger. Goodbye.